Welcome to another instructive video by MilesWeb. Click on the subscribe button to get notified for our latest videos. How to create a self-signed SSL certificate in Webuzo. Before you proceed, please make sure to create a private key for the domain. If you don't know how, please have a look at this video. To create a certificate signing request, log into Webuzo with user account. Go to the SSL section and click on Cert Signing Request. Select the key and enter relevant details for domain. Enter the domain name of the domain for which you are creating the certificate signing request. Country code. 2 letters abbreviation that serves as the international code for a country like US, the United States of America, or IN, India. Go to the description section below to find country code you are looking for. State. Enter the state where your business is located. Locality. Specify the city or town. Company name. Name of the company or organization under which you have registered the domain. Company branch. The branch or division of the organization. Email address. Enter an email address of the domain to assign it with the CSR. Passphrase. A password for the CSR request. Once you have entered all the details, click on Create. Webuzo will generate the certificate signing request for the domain that you can use for creating a self-signed SSL certificate. To create an SSL certificate, click on the home icon to go back to the main Webuzo panel. Go to the SSL section and click on Certificates. The certificate panel will open with 2 sections. Generate a certificate and upload a new certificate. Go to the Generate a Certificate section and under the key field, select the domain that you use to generate the CSR. Enter the exact same details that you used for creating the CSR. Click on Create. A success message will appear saying you have successfully generated the SSL certificate. For any technical questions, you can contact us on this email ID. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share the video. Do follow us on other social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn.